Have you ever wondered what the world will look like in 20 years? 50 years? Well, what if I told you the future is already here? From intimate neurological connections to designer babies, science fiction is rapidly becoming science fact. Hey there! Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into 10 scientific predictions that once seemed impossible but are now becoming reality. And trust me, number 1 will blow your mind. So stick around, because the future is a lot closer than you think. Science is revolutionizing human intimacy in ways previously unimaginable. Researchers have developed compounds that can heighten physical pleasure by targeting specific neuroreceptors without side effects. Wearable tech that synchronizes partners' brainwaves during intimate moments has shown remarkable results in clinical trials. Scientists have even created fabrics with embedded nanomaterials that enhance sensory perception. The most groundbreaking development? Temporary neural bridges allowing partners to literally feel what their partner feels. This technology is advancing rapidly, with basic versions expected on the market within 5 years, potentially transforming human relationships forever. Imagine controlling your devices with just your thoughts. No more typing, swiping, or clicking. This isn't just fantasy anymore. Brain-computer interfaces have advanced to the point where people with paralysis can now control robotic limbs, type messages, and even browse the internet using only their thoughts. Companies like Neuralink are developing implantable brain chips that could revolutionize how we interact with technology. Within the next decade, mind-controlled tech might become as common as smartphones are today. Scientists can now edit human DNA with unprecedented precision using CRISPR technology. While controversial, the first genetically modified human babies were born in China in 2018. As genetic engineering advances, parents may soon be able to select desirable traits for their children, from eye color to disease resistance, or even enhanced intelligence. The ethical debates are fierce, but the technology is already here and developing rapidly. We're standing at the threshold of a new human evolution, one guided by our own hands. Self-driving cars were once the stuff of science fiction, but they're already cruising our streets. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and GM are continually improving their autonomous systems. These vehicles use a combination of cameras, sensors, and AI to navigate complex environments. While fully autonomous cities aren't quite here yet, the technology is advancing faster than predicted. By 2030, experts believe that autonomous vehicles could reduce traffic accidents by up to 90%, saving countless lives and revolutionizing transportation as we know it. Organ transplant waiting lists may soon be a thing of the past. Scientists have successfully grown functional organs from stem cells, including hearts, livers, and kidneys. 3D bioprinting technology is advancing rapidly, allowing researchers to print living tissue with embedded blood vessels. Recently, patients have received lab-grown bladders and tracheas, and more complex organs are on the horizon. Within a decade, doctors might simply print you a new organ when you need one, eliminating rejection issues since they'll be made from your own cells. Hey, if you're enjoying this journey into the future with me, why not make it official? Tap that subscribe button so we can explore more mind-blowing science together. It really helps the channel, and I promise to keep the fascinating content coming. Now, let's continue with our countdown. Traditional computers process information in bits, either 0 or 1. Quantum computers use quantum bits or qubits that can exist in multiple states simultaneously. This allows them to solve complex problems exponentially faster than conventional computers. Google's quantum computer recently performed a calculation in 200 seconds that would take the world's fastest supercomputer 10,000 years. As quantum computers scale up, they could revolutionize everything from drug discovery to climate modeling, solving problems previously thought impossible. Space tourism is no longer just for government astronauts. Companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are making space accessible to civilians. In 2021, the first all-civilian crew orbited Earth, and private space stations are being developed. Current tickets cost millions, but prices are expected to drop dramatically in the coming decades. By 2040, a trip to space might cost about as much as an international vacation. The long-predicted era of regular people visiting space is finally beginning. For decades, scientists have pursued fusion energy, the same process that powers our sun. Unlike nuclear fission, fusion produces no long-lived radioactive waste and cannot melt down. The International ITER project and private companies like Commonwealth Fusion Systems have made breakthrough advances. In 2022, scientists achieved fusion ignition for the first time, producing more energy than was used to start the reaction. Commercial fusion power plants are now predicted to be operational by the 2030s, potentially solving our energy crisis with abundant, clean power. Science fiction has long imagined devices that instantly translate between languages. Thanks to advances in AI and neural networks, real-time translation is now a reality. Earbuds like Google's Pixel Buds can translate conversations on the fly, while apps can instantly translate text in images. The accuracy of machine translation improves yearly, with some systems approaching human-level translation for common languages. Within 5 years, language barriers in business and tourism could largely disappear as these systems become more sophisticated and widespread. Scientists are making remarkable progress in understanding and potentially reversing aging. Researchers have successfully extended the lifespan of mice by 35% through methods like senescent cell removal and epigenetic reprogramming. Human trials for anti-aging compounds like metformin and rapamycin are already underway. Companies like Altos Labs, backed by billions in funding, are working to rejuvenate human cells. While immortality remains elusive, treatments that significantly extend healthy human lifespan could be available within a decade. And there you have it, 10 scientific predictions that once seemed like distant dreams, but are rapidly becoming our reality. The future isn't just coming. In many ways, it's already here. Which of these technologies excites you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey into tomorrow, I'd be so grateful if you'd hit that subscribe button. It really means the world to me and helps us continue bringing you these fascinating glimpses into the future. Thanks for being here with me today, and I can't wait to explore more amazing science with you next time.